Well, once again, the three major indices all hit all-time highs. And, this blistering post-election rally just only gets stronger. Since the election of President Trump, the Dow Jones Industrial Average and NASDAQ have rewritten their record books 66 times, the S&P 500 53 times. Now, today, there were numerous themes, including my favorite, the manufacturing renaissance. It continues to pick up steam. This as the New York Fed Empire State Report just crushed Wall Street consensus. General business conditions climbed to a 3-year high. Some of the highlights: shipping was up 11 points. That's a doubling. Employment was up. That's starting to move. Fantastic. And then they asked, are business conditions improving? And during the course of the month, 44% said yes, only 14% said no. By the way, financials, which had been a laggard this year, are starting to do pretty good. It was the best performing sector of the day. J.P. Morgan actually broke through some key resistance. Morgan Stanley and Goldman right on the cusp of similar breakouts. Those are the kind of breakouts that big money buys. Meanwhile, crude oil did pop early. West Texas Intermediate settled below that 52 number. That's a magical resistance number, despite the fact that Iraqi forces captured oil-producing areas of Kirkuk. We'll see if we can get a breakout through there. If we do get through 52, I'm seeing 55 very, very quickly. Then, of course, there's technology. After the bell, Netflix posted, some might say mixed results. The bottom line, though, is that the quarter really you measure by key metrics, right, and strong guidance, and that's the main thing here. International streaming operating margins 4.7%, the best ever. 5.3 million net new subscribers against guidance of 4.4 million. Fourth quarter guidance, you want to talk about strong, 6.3 million net new subscribers. The shares slightly higher. I suspect if there is any weakness, it would be met quickly by major buying. Now, while everybody's talking about these hot tech names, the Netflixes and the Facebooks of the world, there's a bunch of companies that are just absolutely crushing it with very little media fanfare. Today, they were the winners in tech. Micron up 89% this year. Applied Materials up 70% this year. NVIDIA, by the way, CNBC allowed the stock to be crushed about 4 months ago. It's come all the way back, and I think all three of these names continue to surge, although I will add the caveat, they become a little bit more volatile. Here's the bottom line. Your portfolio has to be a blend of these earth-moving stocks. You could call them boring if you want, and the high-flying tech names. I'm saying hashtag make your portfolio great again.